Colton.
And I'm Adam, and we make up the first LEGO League Robotics team at Bryson Middle School. This is our project presentation for the 2012-2013 First LEGO League themed Senior Solutions.
My name is Chad. This is how we chose our senior partner and how we identified our problem. So what we did is we all chose 8 of our top people that we thought would be adequate. And so once we did that, we came to a meeting and we chose our top 2 of those 8. And then we all voted on the one who we thought was the best. And so we asked that person then to come down for an interview, and like we asked him a lot of questions, and we asked him what was his most faced problems, and his top 2 were technology and mobility. And then we voted on those, and mobility was our choice. And the reason we chose mobility is because we thought it'd be most adequate, and we would go really far with it.
My name is Adam, and what we did after we chose mobility is we started researching possible solutions to that. And before we did that, we came up with these criteria of what everything should fit into. So then we went on the internet and started researching different things that already existed. And we found first the Honda Walking Assist device, which is basically a bicycle seat that goes down and supports the weight on your legs. So if you were carrying something, then you wouldn't be supporting all that weight, it would be the legs. Then we found this bionic leg, which was developed by the military, which we almost immediately ruled out because it was very chunky and expensive, which were 2 of the criteria, that it should be lightweight and not too expensive. Then we found the hybrid assistive limb, which is basically like a full robot bodysuit that had motors and a power pack, which is different from the Honda Walking Assist device. Then much later we went back and found Segways, which we liked because of their gyros, which kind of help keep you balanced. We went a long way with the hybrid assistive limb, and we actually emailed back and forth with the owner of the company in Japan. But we ended up ruling out that one because from the emails we learned that it didn't fit a lot of the criteria. Like, it was very expensive. It was $2,000 a month to rent one. And we also found out that instead of increasing your muscle ability, it would actually decrease it because it kind of completes your movements for you.
My name is Chaz Porter, and what we did is we chose the Honda legs, and to get far with those, we started by contacting a Honda Breakaway, and they gave us a number to Honda North America, which then linked us through about 10 calls, and 2 of them being in Japanese, to the Honda headquarters. And then we met this person named Cynthia Nelson, who helped us a lot. And so we went back and forth emailing her, and we asked her so much that she started to say that a lot of this information was top secret. And we told her about our idea of gyroscopes, and she thought it was a good idea. And some of the things that gyroscopes are used in are iPhones and Segways.
My name is Maggie, and we decided to go with the Honda legs, and we were wondering what would happen if somebody started to fall, what it would do. So we decided that we would attempt to put tiny gyroscopes like that one, and it'll go to the CPU, which will power the simple motor, and what it will do is it'll move one of your legs up, or it'll make you squat or lower the center of gravity.
My name is Matthew. For test and evaluate the solution, we asked Mr. Porter to come to one of our meetings. He came on November 19th. We showed him the Honda legs and a video on them. We also showed what we improved with the gyros on the Honda legs. We asked him next time he goes to the ham house to tell his friends about the Honda legs. And when he got back to us, he said his friends thought it was uncomfortable, but it was a great idea. Then we called Rudy Owens at Breakaway Honda, which is Mr. Porter's cousin. We asked about the Honda legs, and we found out many other companies want to use that as a medical standpoint too, like us, but they don't plan on using that for the future.
I'm Colson, and for improving our design, since his friends said that the seat looked very uncomfortable, we decided that we were going to research a new kind of seat. And so we went on the internet and we found the articulating adjustable resistant suspension seat. And what it does is there's two separate seats, and when your leg moves back, the seat will move with you. And so it's a lot easier on your legs.